Hello, welcome. Today I will be showing you how to make YouTube thumbnail with your smartphone. So what we'll do is we'll go to Play Store. So when you get to your Play Store, you search for Pixel. You search for Pixel. You search for Pixel. Search for Pixel. Then when you see Pixel, see the review. Someone said, yeah, no, I feel a lot of people use this to make YouTube thumbnail on Android, and that's what I use this for. It's an awesome app that make a bit to get used to. Once you start using it more though, you start to feel really comfortable with this application. So if you are just getting this application for the first time, don't mind the complexity. It's very simple. Just make sure you master this app, then I will guide you on how to make your first thumbnail right now. So you click on install, but because I've installed, so I'm having open here. So I will open this app right here. I'll click open. So first, before you start using this app, first thing you want to do right here is you want to change the size of this template. So you click here, so you see image size, you select image size, then you change the width, to 2048, then you change the height to 1152, then you press OK. So right here we have the size of the thumbnail. So what you want to do right now is you want to bring the image you want to use. So I want to bring an image. So what you do is you click here, so you click imports. So I click on import, then I select the image I want to use from the file, then you click on this, then you reduce the size first. I bring this here, so I'll reduce the size. Then next thing I want to do is I want to change, I want to remove the white background. So I'll click on erase color. So I'll click on erase color, then I'll turn it on here. So you see that the white background has been removed. Then I will smooth the edge. So I'll click OK. Then next thing I want to do before I proceed is I want to click on this icon. So I will save as projects, YouTube thumbnail, click OK. So first thing I want to do right now is I want to click on this again, then I want to click on shapes. So I'll click on shapes, then I'll select the color. I want to use this color right here, so I'll select it, then I'll click on this image, then I'll click on image, I'll click on bring to front. So the image will come in front of the shape. I love this shape very well. I love this square shape very well. So I will increase it. I'll bring this text to front. Then I will increase this size. Then I will insert another shape, white. Then I want to insert another shape, black. Then I want to copy this. I want to duplicate this. So you click on copy. For you to duplicate the shape, you click on copy. So I have two whites here. So what I'll do is make sure your thumbnail is clean, neat. I hope you are following me. So what I want to do next is I want to do this. Then I want to duplicate it again and I want to put it here. I want to increase this. I want to put it here. Then I want to change this text. I want to change this text color. So I'll click on color. I'll put it in, change the color. Click this. So I'll duplicate this color 4 times. So I click copy, I duplicate it, then I'll write. I hope you are following me. Okay. So what I want to do right now is do this. Change the text. I want to click save as. I want to change the text color to black. I want to change this color, the YouTube color, to yellow. Then I want to change this color to purple. I'll leave it in purple, then I'll change this color to red. Then I will change the font right here. So I keep changing the font. So make sure your thumbnail is neat and clean, because your thumbnail determines the kind of view you have on your YouTube videos. So change the fonts. So right now we are almost done. We are there, we are done. We expanded this background. So we put it to cover all. When we put it to cover all, then you click save change, then you click save as image. So you click save to gallery. So then you go back to your gallery. So right here you have your thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail. This is the first one we made. So this is the new one we made. So you just created your thumbnail for yourself. So see you in my next video.